Hey guys, Michael Internet Pro. Thanks so much for joining me here in this new video. Guys, it's just a quick video I want to make real quick. Another day in the life, Michael Internet Pro. As you can see, it's gift giving time. And simply, if you got someone in your life, you're going to always have to, do these little special things. Guys, you know what I'm talking about. So basically, I just want to show you like the results of, systems I'm using, the multiple streams of income that, are coming in all the time here. And if you want to learn how to do this for yourself, it's the easiest 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and click the link below. You'll be taken to a capture page where I'll be asking for your email so that I can send you out the information. I have a free report I want to send you. Grab it today. Don't delay. Don't put this off. This is something you need right now. Okay. Enjoy this video. It's basically me just giving someone very special some perfume. I really wanted to give her this perfume. It's Versace. It's one of the best smelling perfumes I've ever smelled before. If you haven't smelled the new Versace just come out, go ahead and check that out real quick. But you'll see it right here. You see the box and everything. And they also threw in like a couple other small little Versace perfumes too, just to kind of complement the box, which I thought was really cool. But yeah, gave away some American chocolate. It's really big over here in the Philippines. They really love American chocolate, so that's something I put in there for her. And you can see a couple of little other smaller trinkets inside, but it's just a surprise gift. She didn't know she was getting it, and so it was just something kind of like, spare the moment out the blue, that type of thing. But anyway, guys, you can do things like this. You can live anywhere around the world. You can do whatever you like to do. All you have to do is join the Wi-Fi Millionaire System. I'm going to teach you how to do everything from A to Z, okay, front to back. You want to check it out. It's a 21-step program. Everything's inside. The video's below. Go ahead and check out the video because the videos are going to explain everything you need to know just in the presentation to set you up to move forward and move ahead, guys. People are joining every single day. I thank you guys for joining up. I know you are going to really appreciate it. It's well worth it. If you're in the fence right now, I'm telling you guys, jump off. It's the time now. No better time like today. Don't put it off. Don't put it off for tomorrow. It is time to join up so that you can start making money like this and be able to do things like this. So I always show proof of income, but now I want to show you some of the things I do with the money. Okay. All right, guys. Anyways, Michael Internet Pro, as always, click the link below. Thanks for watching. I'll check you out in the next video. See you inside. Bye.